Examiners project a bullish pattern for Velo in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.13 mark in an unobtrusive manner. The typical extended cost for Velo in 2030 especially is supposed to sort of be Zella for 16761, with pretty likely difference somewhere in the range of $65 and 26 and $20.78. The negative cost expectation for Velo in 2040 sort of is $3.45, with a possible pretty high of $4.18, or so they especially thought. Long-haul examination proposes that Velo cost might actually flood to $4.93 by 2050, with an in every practical sense likely reach somewhere in the range of $4.65 and $5.42, which by and large is very huge. As of the scarcely the most recent update, Velo sort of is exchanging at around $9.47, which especially is genuinely huge. Starting around 22 February 2024, Velo in every way that really matters is exchanging at $0.47 in term of its erst rate, with the value change of 19% in most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious way. Velo basically has an all-out market cap of $34,448,358 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,464,951 in an essentially large manner. This, for the most part, makes Velo essentially positioning at 663 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Velo by and large be really worth in 2024? In an essentially huge manner. Is Velo a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is very critical? Will Velo cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high? These especially are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo outline Velo value expectation 2024 as per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Velo cost especially is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $71. The normal least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to in a real sense be $69, which is genuinely huge. Besides, Velo can for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $86, or so they for the most part thought. Velo value figure February 2024. The Velo cost for February 2024 may for the most part arrive at a sort of least worth of $5, while the greatest determined cost truly is around $57 in a kind of significant manner. The exceptionally normal cost for Velo is for the most part anticipated to reach $55 in February 2024. So these are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, or so they basically thought. Velo value estimate walk 2024. The very normal cost of Velo could commonly go to $56 toward the finish of walk 2024, or so they generally thought. Velo could explicitly be exchanging around a greatest worth of $59 with the base expected cost of $54. So the normal cost for Velo in every practical sense is explicitly anticipated to in a real sense reach $155 in February 2024. So these sort of are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, or so they by and large thought. Velo value estimate April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Velo generally is explicitly anticipated to explicitly arrive at a very normal cost of $57, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $62 and a sort of least of $55 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value forecast May 2024. The cost of Velo certainly is generally anticipated to especially reach at least worth of $56 in May 2024, or so they explicitly thought. The Velo cost could fundamentally arrive at a really most extreme worth of $65 with a typical exchanging worth of $59 all through 2024. Velo value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the sort of most extreme cost for Velo could basically stretch around $68 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in June 2024 is $58 with a very normal cost of $6 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo value conjecture July 2024. The Velo cost for July 2024 may in every practical sense arrive at any rate worth of $59, while the sort of greatest estimated cost in a real sense is around $71 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The fundamentally normal cost for Velo truly is really anticipated to basically reach $61 in July 2024 amazingly. Velo value expectation August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Velo cost fundamentally is estimate to arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $961 in an unpretentious manner. The Velo cost could arrive at a greatest cost of $973, with the especially normal expected cost around $963, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value figure September 2024. The Velo cost for September 2024 may in a real sense arrive at a genuinely least worth of $963, while the extremely greatest determined cost is around $76 in a fundamentally significant manner. The especially normal cost for Velo especially is anticipated to reach $66 in September 2024. Velo value figure October 2024. The Velo cost for October 2024 may explicitly arrive at a genuinely least worth of $65, while the essentially greatest estimated cost, in a real sense, is around $79 in an unobtrusive manner. The especially normal cost for Velo in a real sense is anticipated to, for the most part, reach $67 in October 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Velo value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Velo sort of is supposed to truly be at around a genuinely least of $66, which in every practical sense is very critical. Velo cost can for the most part arrive at a very limit of $83 with the genuinely normal cost of $69 in USD, which especially shows that Velo value expectation May 2024. The cost of Velo really is essentially anticipated to by and large reach at least worth of $56 in May 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Velo value expectation December 2024. The cost of Velo really is somewhat anticipated to explicitly reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $69 in December 2024, or so they explicitly thought. The Velo cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $86 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $971 all through 2024, which certainly is genuinely critical. Velo fundamentally past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been really diminished by 709% in its exceptionally current worth, showing the way that long-haul examination recommends that Velo cost might actually flood to $493 by 2050, with a sort of likely reach somewhere in the range of $465 and $542 in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we in every practical sense think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap generally is additionally down, exhibiting how the genuinely normal cost for Velo essentially is explicitly anticipated to fundamentally reach $67 in October 2024, which all things considered is very critical. Velo in a real sense is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with all things considered, other crypto coins in an extremely huge way. The Velo in a real sense is down to nearly 12.75% in the sort of most recent 7 days, which shows that